From your front door, you're just steps from the trails and towering pines of Shevlin Park, one of Bend's true gems. Bend living is all about connection to nature, to the community, and to the lifestyle that makes this part of Oregon so special. Tucked into the highly sought-after Three Pines neighborhood, this home offers the perfect balance of privacy, comfort, and access to adventure. Let's go in and take a look. Inside, the home blends timeless craftsmanship with thoughtful modern updates. Expansive wood-wrapped windows fill the home with natural light, while rich wood floors and custom built-ins create warmth and character throughout the main living spaces. The great room design flows effortlessly into the updated kitchen, featuring refined finishes, upgraded fixtures, and quality appliance designed for both entertaining and everyday living. The primary suite is thoughtfully positioned on the main level, offering comfort and privacy, while guest bedrooms and an upstairs guest suite provide excellent separation for family and visitors alike. The updated primary bath feels like a retreat, complete with elevated finishes and attention to detail. Additional features like custom metal handrails, Sonos sound, smart home technology, and a spacious 3-car garage further elevate the experience of living here. Backing to a peaceful common space, this beautifully updated home enjoys a rare sense of serenity with a small pond and natural landscaping creating a common backdrop year-round. The paver patio invites you to slow down and enjoy the outdoors, whether it's morning coffee, summer evenings with friends, or simply taking in the sounds of nature right in your own backyard. This is a home that truly captures the essence of Bend living. Call us today for your own personal showing.